Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta thermostat. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a drain pan. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, drain the engine coolant into a suitable container, which typically holds around 5 to 6 liters, preparing for the next steps. Now, let's locate the thermostat housing, which is usually found near the engine cylinder head. You will need to disconnect the upper radiator hose from this housing. Next, carefully remove the 2 or 3 bolts that secure the housing in place. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the housing away from the engine block. You can then remove the old thermostat and its gasket, ensuring no debris falls into the engine. With the old thermostat removed, it is vital to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the engine block and the housing. This ensures a perfect, leak-free seal. Now, install your new thermostat, making sure it is oriented correctly, often with a small jiggle valve facing upwards. Place a new gasket onto the thermostat housing. Finally, reattach the housing and tighten the 2 or 3 bolts to their specified torque, typically around 10 Newton meters. To finish up, reconnect the upper radiator hose and the negative battery terminal. Now, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant, usually a 5-liter mix of 50% antifreeze and 50% distilled water. Start the engine with the heater on full to help bleed any air from the system. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks around the housing. Top up coolant as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.